Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So just a very quick video this evening. So I've just pulled up at a local college and I'm actually on the campus now, about to go into my first classroom for this part-time welding course. So this will be my first evening in the classroom. I'm anticipating that first of all we'll be doing health and safety, looking at basic tools, that sort of stuff. It's unlikely that I'll be able to do any filming at all in the classroom, and I will of course ask permission once I sort of settle in and get used to stuff. Now it's a part-time course once a week for 3 hours every week, and it's in the evenings and it lasts for 4 months. So during the interim period I will of course be getting my own gear so I can practice outside of college hours. Really look forward to it, really looking forward to learning some new skills, which I will of course share with you in future videos. But other than that, I just got to crack on really, just go and pick up my ID card. So I'll be a student once again, and I'll do another quick vid when I come out a little bit later on this evening. And all this undergrowth here, the amount of bloody rats running around this place is untrue. Absolutely loads of them, size of cats they are. But anyway, I digress. I'll catch you later. Right, well that's really interesting then. So first session it was in the classroom, and as I thought, you know, it was all to do with the health and safety, the differences between MIG and TIG welding, you know, looking at the different bits of equipment, that sort of thing, and just a general discussion about, you know, the workshop and the tools and equipment we'll be using. Quite interesting actually, because what the tutors were saying is the fact that because there is such a demand for welders, basically you're absolutely guaranteed to get a job in the industry after just doing a 4-month course. You know, there's such a demand for it. Apparently the TIG welding, that's where the big money is, and you can earn an absolute stack of money. So I think once I've done the MIG and the MAG, I'll be onto the TIG, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, really looking forward to it, really looking forward to coming next week. Got to get myself some proper gear though, in terms of things like the a proper helmet, to make sure I get a decent helmet for, you know, eye and face protection, and also to get some fire retardant, a jacket and some trousers as well. So they're going to cost a little bit of money. I'd rather sort of get my own stuff rather than rely on something which the college provides. So yeah, who knows, possibly new year, new career. Perhaps a caveman will become a welder, who knows. When I've done this initial course, I should probably do the TIG stuff as well. Apparently that's nice and clean and you can earn a load of money. So as somebody who is in semi-retirement, I could continue working part-time and earning a shed load of cash. How cool is that? Anyway, so that's all from me for this evening. Going back to the van. So there she is over there, look, little beauty.